Now, let's move on to the Panorama editor. This section allows you to remove or add blurs into your virtual tour. Click on the virtual tour card and select Panoramas. Then click on the menu button in the top right corner and select Edit. To add blurs, click on the plus icon in the sidebar. A new blur will appear on your screen. You can double-click on it and drag it over the area you want to blur. Select the points to adjust the shape to your desired object. You can click along the shape to add additional points. And you can right-click and adjust the roundness to cover any awkward objects. Remember, Giraffe360 will always try to ensure faces and number plates are blurred as a standard. To adjust the intensity of the blur, use the slider provided. This will be applied to all blur masks. To delete a blur, select the mask in the panorama or from the sidebar and click the trash icon. Click Save and Close once you're done, and your tour will be updated.